At about 7:15 this morning, we spun out of control and into the ditch. Basically a huge snow drift with just nothing but mud underneath. It is now 9:15. We just pulled out of it by a nice gentleman. We'll have to say thank you on our website to him. It's sleeting heavily. It actually hurt really bad. I was standing outside for about 5 minutes, just pelting my face. And it looks like we're actually starting to change to a little bit of snow now, maybe. So we're getting what we actually came out here for.
Contemplating going 97 miles in this.
We're about to slide off the road.
And we just slid off the road.
Although I think it's
yeah, I don't know.
I just don't know how we're going to get turned around.
Yeah. Okay, now we're stuck 1 mile north of Boise City.
The plan was to go to Lamar.
Attempting to get to Lamar.
Not going to happen. Good news is we're close enough to Boise City. We can walk. It's over there beyond the light.
Joel driving in the ditch this time. Sorry, getting the heat. It's starting to get drifts already. Joel about
Can you see my legs?
Oh my gosh. So how big is that drift?
2.5.
2.5?
Yeah. Whoa, the snow just blowing off the road. It's blowing up. Holy crap. That was intense.